but he has become overly concerned with getting a cold or the flu.
Oh, any symptoms? Runny nose, achy, sore throat, fever?
No.
All right, well, Sheldon, if you do catch a cold or even the flu, it's not the end of the world.
The flu was the end of the world for 500,000 Americans during the influenza epidemic of 1918.
Really?
In India, 17 million people died.
Okay, I think we're getting off the subject. Dr. Sheldon is afraid to go to school because he might get exposed to some kind of bacteria or virus.
So he's got a phobia?
It's not a phobia if the threat is real. You're a doctor, you should know that.
Sheldon, you have nothing to worry about. Even if you did get the flu, it's usually over in a week.
Why are we getting medical advice from a man who smokes?
Okay, I have patients who are actually sick. Maybe we should wrap this up.
How come you don't get sick all the time?
Well, I take precautions. I wash my hands, I wear gloves and a mask.
So, Mom, how was your day?
We're ignoring this? Okay.
So pretty. What's going on? I'm not feeling so good. Biohazard! Biohazard! Sucker.
In national news, an unusually early flu season is buffeting the country. Doctors say the strain originating in China is particularly severe. Children and the elderly are most at risk.
Sheldon, are you still up?
We're all gonna die!
About the local
This isn't funny.
I know, baby. I know. But you need to understand that sometimes the news says those things just to scare people.
Well, it's working.
Come here.